Hey guys, good afternoon from my backyard. Hey listen, just want to give you guys a quick update on my recovery. As you know, I had a full knee replacement here actually it'd be 2 weeks tomorrow, and I'm doing really well, guys. Hey, check this out. Yeah, my therapist is pretty impressed. Why don't you step up just a little bit, there? There you go. Got my wife behind the camera. She's not used to this, guys, but hey, dear, go ahead and pan down to my leg here. Maybe step up just a little bit. But that's what it looks like. I do have a little bruising on the back of my leg. I don't know if you can see that, but right now, let me show you a little video where my therapist takes off my bandage.
So you see that mesh there now?
Yeah.
Then feel that white part. It's just so that's what was pulling so much.
Well, look at that.
So we have that. Oh, we're going to put the collar on.
Hey guys, you can see I'm doing really good, so I want to thank you for all the great comments you guys have been leaving. And you know what? I'm really expecting to be out making my videos here probably in the next couple of weeks. So pretty excited about that. But let me show you what I have lined up. I have a Bond Arms Derringer chambered in 45 Colt / 410. I just did a YouTube short on this, and fun little gun to shoot. I have an Astra 357 Magnum. The very first center fire handgun I ever bought was an Astra revolver back around 1980, and I sold it, regretted it ever since, so I was glad to find this one here just recently, so can't wait to put some rounds through this one. And I have not forgotten about my little Enfield. Can't wait to put a few rounds through this. I've had this several months now, haven't even shot it yet. So guys, again, thanks for all the great comments, and again, I'm doing very well, and we'll see you guys hopefully in a couple of weeks.